President Museveni again came in ote Janet Museveni Okwero mwaka pia be mi bedi Nyom Maleng.
That is the best you can give to them. Just away from the big side. Hallelujah.
Yanano chekegi iyup mo bedi Kyamate Church of Uganda in I Ntungamo District iyup ma Archibisho Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugalo odoro.
Museveni, take you, Janet Kataha Museveni, again to continue to be my beloved wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in health and in sickness, to love and to cherish till death do us part, according to God's holy law, and this is my solemn vow.
Janet Kataha Museveni, take you, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, again to continue to be my beloved husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in health and in sickness, to love and to cherish till death do us part, according to God's holy law, and this is my solemn vow.
En wachi jimi mokutie lobo kany mapigi tego makonye loko kuo padano ikina ye kwan, dero, kidong lonyo, ento gina pira tek loy weng aye neno ni ikeme kilokpa family. Ma en wachi kin karni tika tema matek tutwal.
You talk of education, I am educated. You talk of wealth, I am rich. You talk of professional development. But all those are facilitations for life. Life itself is family. Family, which means wife, means children, means grandchildren. That's life.
President Museveni tiyuki kare man mi fuoyo le chwech mi irekwo kun en wachi ibiru kikara mi tiyutich matek mabene kore nen.
I thanking God first for life. And life meant saving us, Mom and myself, who were born here, we are indigenous of this area, saving us from disease.
Dr. Kazimba Mugalo iloke oparo President Museveni matek tutwal en beno foyo President minene ichunki kara chiel ki family mamege inge tema matek mabene duata iwilobo kany.
What a joy! To God be the glory. As a church, as a body of believers, we are so proud of you. That you are doing this. This is not for your family. It is for the entire nation of Uganda.
President Museveni waj eni duogo foj ma dit tutwal bolla chwej momiyo kuo ire kibene dongin ma pira tek foyo dagone Janet Museveni pigwako loteno kigange iyo mupore tutwale ikarma eni bedu pe.
This is where Mama Janet now comes in, and not only being a mother, but a mother of children with a permanently absentee husband. You heard what the children were saying, that she was tough with them and was able to bring them up for a number of years without my presence. And I really salute her for that.
To have your spouse and give him peace, just let him be. What he wants to do, let him do, because it's nothing. And now I know that really, and he knows, I don't follow him picking up things and saying.
Luteno pa President Museveni kili kwa ene mokene madongu teki gubiribene kikare miloke lwa kongen wajoni.
And the befitting celebration of these 50 years is really to thank God, who has been so faithful to these two people, our parents.
They got married in the UK because their very lives were under threat, and it wasn't safe for them to be in Uganda, much less get married here. But today, on their Golden Jubilee celebration, they are in Ntungamo, their ancestral home, and the origin of both their families, surrounded by children, grandchildren, relatives, friends, hundreds of spiritual children, and thousands of well-wishers.
Bilo ngemo chenye One Luo TV, Anya Pat Robert La